Hello, this is John with the Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a server checkout. So if you're doing a server bank, which is using basically a virtual till, you still got to do a checkout just like cashiers do with the physical tills. What you do is you sign in, and if you're ready to go, you just go to the menu up here at the top and go to server bank. Now for cashiers, this will show cash drawer. So if you see cash drawer here, and it's supposed to be server bank, then you were probably using either the wrong job type. If maybe you do both. If you're a bartender, you might also see cash drawer. Anyway, we're going to go into server bank here, and this is going to show you here on the left. It's going to show you a preview of your checkout report. Now this might be X'd out for some people. That just depends on management settings, whether or not they wanted to have things X'd out or not. If it does, it should show you how much total you have down here, but you'll have to get with the manager to actually see numbers. Now it will show you here that there are open tickets, and it won't let you do a checkout without getting rid of these open tickets. So you have the chance to either go close them out if they were supposed to be closed, or transfer them. And you can transfer them all pretty quickly if you choose this option here. So you either have to do it individually. If they go to multiple different people, you can't do that here. You can only transfer all of them all at once here. So for this, I'll just pick John Smith. We'll send them all these tickets to John Smith. Now up here, it does have a breakdown of your cash summary. So it shows that there were $233 in cash transactions. There was $50 in tips. No paid in and paid outs. That will show up here as well. By the way, this is where you do paid in and paid outs. If you need to see more information on how to do that, I have a video for that as well. And then this kind of gives you your grand total, the 183. So if we pull down here on this report, it also has the summary down here at the bottom. So it shows that there were $233 in cash, $50 tips. So you basically keep the $50 because that was your tips. So you owe the house $183.90. And right there it shows server owes merchant $183.90. Then you do the checkout button here. Okay. Got an error because I don't have any printer templates selected, but that will end your server checkout. So now if you go back in there, it will say you don't have one started yet because it's closed. So at that point, you would just get with the manager, turn your money in, follow whatever policies they have for you on that. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.